On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can use to make money online from home. As you can see, this is my earning on Laziest. As you can see it here, $47,305, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to use this method to make money online from home. I've been using this method for a very long time, so I'm going to share my experience with you in this video. So make sure you watch till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So let me update the results for you to see. As you can see, you can update a maximum of once per minute. So let me update it for you. As you can see it right here. So as you can see, this is Laziest, and what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting products in this platform. So once you promote the product and get a sale, you are going to earn a commission. So you can use this method on ClickBank, you can use it with Warrior Plus, you can use it with any affiliate marketing network that you join. So I'm going to be taking you through step by step in Laziest.com. So as you can see here, we are going to come right here, the marketplace, and you are going to click on the marketplace. So once you click here, you get products that you can promote and then earn a commission. So you are going to click on marketplace. So as you can see, once you click on the marketplace, you can see the categories of products here that you can promote. So we are going to come to internet marketing and e-business. So we are going to click on that category so that we can promote products in that category. Once you click on internet marketing and e-business, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, this is a product that you can promote to Mastering and Monetization by MacPass. So this is a product that you can promote, and as you can see, the product owner is giving us 50% commission. As you can see, that is $202 per sale. So it means if you get 2 sales per day, you are going to earn up to $404, as you can see here. So when you scroll down, there are a lot of them that you can promote. As you can see here, Hyper Suggest. You can see this is another product that you can promote. You can see another one here that you can also promote. When you scroll down, you can see another one here that you can promote. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting the first product. As you can see here, it has an attractive commission rate, so we are going to be promoting this product. Once you have chosen the product, the next thing is that we are going to build a landing page. So a landing page is the first page that we are going to display to the customer so that we can get their emails before we promote the products, because we don't want to sell only one product to them and then stop. We want to build a long-term relationship with them so that we can be promoting products to them. So we have to build a landing page and then get their email so that anytime we want to promote a product to them, we can just send it through their emails. So we are going to come to aweber.com. On this website, you can build landing pages for free. So you are going to create an account. So once you create an account, you have to log in and then you can begin building your landing page. So I have my accounts here, as you can see. So I'm going to log in to show you how to do it. So you click on login. Once you log in, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to come to landing pages. So you click on that. Once you click on landing pages, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, your right hand side. As you can see, this one here, create a landing page. So you are going to click on that so that you can begin creating a landing page. Once you click on that, you can see there are a lot of templates here that you can choose to start editing and then put your information here. So as you can see, many of them that you can select. So we are going to select the one that you like so that you can then edit it and put your information on it. So as you can see, many of them. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this one so that I can use it to demonstrate for you to understand. So you are going to just click on choose. So once you click on choose, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, you are now going to start editing this landing page so that you can put your information on it. So for the first one, as you can see, the logo, you are going to delete it. So you are going to delete all this text and put your information here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to go back to the product sales page so that you can get relevant information to put on this landing page. So when you come back to Laziest, you are going to scroll down and come to sales page. So you are going to click on that. So once you click on sales page, you can see this is the sales page of the product. So this is the first page that the customer will see before they decide to purchase the product. So as you can see, this is the information that they are going to see first. As you can see, I ran 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. So here we are going to pick some information. So we are going to go back to our landing page. So once you come to the landing page, you are going to enter information. So you are going to delete this text and then type something like make money on YouTube as a complete beginner. So let me type that. So as you can see, this is the heading of our landing page. As you can see it right here, make money on YouTube as a complete beginner. So the next thing is that we are going to add an additional information here. So we are going to go back to the product sales page so that we can pick information to paste right here. So once you come back to the product sales page, you are going to scroll down and come to this area. As you can see, YouTube Mastery and Monetization teaches how to start, grow and monetize a hyper profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. So we are going to copy this information. So we are going to start from here and then copy the whole of this information. Once you copy it, you are going to send it back to your landing page. So once you come here, you are going to highlight the whole of this text. So you are going to highlight this. Once you highlight it, you are going to paste your information here. So I'm going to paste my information right here. So as you can see, this is our information on the landing page. So we are going to shift it downwards. As you can see, this is how the landing page looks like. And then what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here. As you can see, instead of sign up, I'm going to type something like give me access now. So you are going to type something like this, give me access now. Once that is done, you are going to click on it and you are going to change the color of this text background. So you are going to come right here and then click on color and you are going to choose a color for it. So I'm going to choose red, as you can see right here. So once that is done, you are going to also come right here and then change the background color of the whole landing page. So you are going to just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to come right here and then select background color. So once you select that, you are going to choose any color that you want. So as you can see, so you are going to play around with the colors. I like this color and you can see that it looks nice. So if you don't like this color, you can choose other colors that you like. So once you have your information right now, the next thing is that you are going to click on this particular box. Once you click on this box, you are going to come right here and click on submission. So this is where you are going to insert your affiliate links. So once the customer enters his or her name, they can then get access to the link of the product that you are promoting. So you are going to click on it. Once you click on it, come to the submit. Instead of simple, you are going to select custom URL. So once you select custom URL, you are going to go back to Digistore 24 and this time you are going to copy your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link. So if you have never promoted the product before, you see something like promote, but I've been promoting this product, that's why you are not seeing promote. Let me show you. When you scroll down here, you can see that I have not promoted this product, that's why you are seeing promote now. But because I promoted this one, you will not see promote now, you only see my affiliate link. So once you have your affiliate link, you are going to copy it. Once you copy, you are going to go back to your landing page. And as you can see right here, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here, custom URL. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next thing is that you can preview the landing page. So what you are going to do is that we are going to preview it first. So as you can see, this is how the landing page is going to appear. So we are going to go back and then give a name to our landing page. So we are going to click on go back to editor. So here we are going to give a name to our landing page right here. So we are going to type something like make money online. So this is just a name of our landing page. So once this is done, the next thing is that you are going to come right here and click on save and exit. So once you click on save and exit, you can see this is our landing page as you can see it right here. So this is the mobile version of our landing page as you can see it here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on publish so that your landing page can now go live. So once you click on publish, you can see this is how it is. This is the URL of your landing page. So you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, just click on done. So now the next thing is that we are going to test the landing page so that we can see how it will look like in a new browser. So you are going to come right here, click on new browser. Once you click on the new browser, we are going to paste the URL of our landing page right here. As you can see, this is the landing page that we have created, a very nice landing page. So the next thing is that we are going to test if our affiliate link will appear when the customer enter their information here. So let me enter my name and then email. Once I enter my email, let me click on give me access now. So you click on that. So once you click on give me access now, this is the product that has been displayed. So now once you test and the landing page is working, we are now going to begin bringing traffic to this landing page so that we can get people to enter their information and purchase the product for us to earn a commission. The traffic source that I'm about to show you is free and the traffic is high quality, so make sure you pay close attention. Kindly hit the like button so that it will help this video to reach out to a lot of people. So what we are going to do is that we're going to come to this website, freeadvertising247.com. On this website, you are going to begin promoting your landing page for free. You are not going to pay for anything. And the traffic source of this particular website is the United Kingdom. So this is a high quality traffic source that you can use to make money with your affiliate products. You don't need to sign up for an account. So you are going to just begin filling the details of your ad right here. So here your links. So this is where you are going to paste the URL of your landing page. So you are going to come back to Aweber and then you are going to click on this particular icon right here to copy the URL of your landing page. So you are going to click on copy. Once you copy the URL of your landing page, you are going to come back to free advertising 24/7 and then paste the link to your landing page right here. As you can see, once you paste the link to your landing page here, the next thing is that you're going to select a category. So here we are going to select business opportunities. Once you select business opportunities, the next thing is that you are going to write the title of your ad. So you are going to just give the same title as your landing page. So let me do that. Make money on YouTube as a complete beginner. So that is the title of our ad. As you can see, the title, make money on YouTube as a complete beginner. As you can see, this is the preview of your ad, as you can see here. So the next thing is that we are going to add a description here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to the sales page of the product. Once you come back to the sales page of the product, you are going to scroll down and come to this section, my exact strategies. So you are going to copy this information. So you are going to copy this as the description for your ad. So you are going to highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to send it to your ad and you are going to paste it as your description right here. So you are going to paste it here. As you can see here, the text is small, so we are going to delete some of the text. As you can see, this is the preview of your ad, so make sure you always check this side to correct any information that is missing. Once you paste your description right here, the next thing is that you are going to enter your email address. So you are going to enter your email address and your name. Once you enter your name and then your email address, you can see here you can upgrade to add colors to your ad and you are going to pay $1 for that. You can see add emoji, you are going to pay $2 for that. Large ad, you are going to pay $1 for that. Featured in emails, you are going to pay $4. So these are something that you don't need to pay. So you have to publish your ad for free. In future, if you want, you can upgrade it, but it is totally free. As you can see, bump it to the top 3 times. As you can see, you are going to pay $5. So you are not going to pay for anything. So just leave it as it is, and then you can see total cost is 0. So we are going to leave it like that. We are not going to pay for anything. When you come here, you can see the submit button is at the bottom of the page. So we are going to scroll to the last page of this website. As I scroll, you can see people have been posting their ads here. As you can see, this one right here, 2,151 times. You can see 9 times. You can see 18 times. You can see 7 times. And as I scroll, you can see that many of them are getting more views. Some are also getting fewer views. It depends on how long your ad has been here. So as you can see, many different ads on this particular platform. So as you can see, 106, you can see 117, you can see 17,594. You can see another one here, 1,213 times. As you can see, we are going to scroll to the last end. So once you scroll to the last end of the page, you can see you are going to enter this code and submit your ad. So you are going to enter 5313. So once you enter the code right here, you are going to click on submit. So once you click on submit, you can see we have just sent an email to your email address, as you can see here. So let's go and check my email box. As you can see, once I open my email, you can see this is the email that they've sent. As you can see, to complete the submission, click or copy this link to your browser. So we are going to click on this link so that your ad can go live on the platform. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see right here, so you are going to scroll down and come here. As you can see, they are trying to get you to upgrade, so you don't have to upgrade. Just come here, click no, I will skip this great offer. So once you click on that, you are going to click on continue and your ad is going to go live on this particular platform. So as you can see, congratulations, your ad has been submitted. Now check out this amazing website. So as you can see, your ad is now live on the platform. So as you can see, I think this is a different website that you are trying to advertise. So let's go back to the platform. So as you can see, now we are on the home page of this particular website. So I'm going to search for the ad that I have submitted so that you can see the results that we've gotten. So as you can see right here, so we are going to come here and then type in the title of our ad so that we can see how it is performing on this platform. So we are going to just come here, make money on YouTube. So let me type that, make money on YouTube. As you can see, I'm just going to search for these keywords, and when you come here, you can see the category. You are going to come to business opportunities. Once that is done, just click on filter ads. As you can see, once I search for my ad, as you can see it right here, make money on YouTube as a complete beginner, you can see it has been shown 25 times, as you can see right here. So this is a website that you have to keep on publishing so that you can get good results every day. So that is it for today's video. As you can see, the process is simple. I always show you actionable steps that you can use to make money online. So if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.